Yo, what is up guys, it's Limiter Junkie back at it again with another video. I know it's been a while, but this one's gonna be a banger, I hope. So today I'll be working on my 2019 Honda Grom. This thing's like brand new. I bought it last year, didn't ride it much. We've got about 300-ish miles on it. And today we'll be doing a new exhaust. So I got this big exhaust on here. So I'm gonna roll it outside now, let it warm up for a minute, give you a couple of rev clips, maybe a couple flybys, and then we'll get started on tearing the exhaust off. I guess here she's outside, so I got the key on, it's in neutral. What a honey, huh? Like I said, we're gonna let it warm up for a little while, then I'll give you a couple revs and I'll do a couple flybys up the driveway and we'll go from there. Alright guys, we're back in the garage now that I got this exhaust nice and hot for me to play with. I'll show you guys this, the bolt here, and then under down here there's a bolt there, and then there's one on the opposite side, same place. And then you have the two up here on the motor, and then your exhaust ready to come off. So I'm gonna set you guys up and get this baby torn off real quick. Alright guys, so stock, this is the new, these are two different pieces of exhaust I bought separately. So I got this piece here on sale from eBay. It was originally $100 but I got it for 55, so it's this piece all the way up through to the tip. And then this muffler I believe was 45. I'll double check, I'll put the actual price right here. But so I actually grabbed the scale real quick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to weigh each one of these and see how much each one weighs. So first we'll start with the new guy. If I can actually get the whole thing on here. 7.1 pounds. So that's pretty decent. Okay, so now we'll slide this big one on here. So about 11 pounds for this stock one. So that's a pretty good weight savings. This guy also has a lot of muffling in it, so I'm excited to see how this new one sounds. So we're gonna hurry up and get this thing on. Alright guys, I got this exhaust hung up. I thought my camera was recording, but I guess not. So, you know, we got the springs on here, the spring here, and then I got this just set up in here right now. And you got it pretty much where I want it, so then I just gotta put, this piece just goes on here, bolts up, and I think we're ready to go from there. Alright guys, the new exhaust is all on. I think we're ready to pull this thing outside and give it the first fire, and then I'm going to slap the GoPro on and take her for a rip to the store. I guess that's a little bit more muscly tone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my my helmet real quick and we'll take a rip for the store. Alright guys, so I rode to the store. Unfortunately, the stupid store's gas pumps would not read my card. So I had to go inside, then my helmet fell off my bike, snapped my GoPro off, so I gotta redo all this crap. You know, it's just a mess. So I don't even know if you'll see the GoPro footage or what. But the new exhaust is on. I'll give you guys a couple quick revs, and then I'm gonna do some beauty shots and we'll end off the video. She's a beast.